The Supreme Court refused to intervene into the arrest of 5 activists in Maharashtra. A Supreme Court Constitution bench observed that no case can be made out to say arrest of activists was made merely on ground of dissent with the government. Pune police will go ahead with the investigation against these 5 activists accused of having Maoist links. In fact, the court extended the house arrest of the activists by another 4 weeks.
For Mirror now, very quickly, sir, are you satisfied with the outcome?
No, we are not satisfied with the majority judgment.
Yeah.
We are very happy with the minority judgment. We wish that had been the judgment of the entire court.
But the very fact that 1 month has been provided for them as a window to see...
That is some relief, but they were, as Justice Chandrachud has written in his judgment, there was good reason to constitute an aside.
So there you have it, Prashant Bhushan with his initial first reaction saying that entirely not satisfied with the majority view, but really he will explore more about the nuances of this judgment going forward. In New Delhi with Balraj, Meenakshi for Mirror Now.
All right, well, that's as far as this particular decision from the Supreme Court comes. This is a setback, of course, as far as the 5 activists are concerned. The Supreme Court bench has refused to interfere in this case. The Pune police to go ahead with their investigation. Let's in fact go across to Santya, who's joining us at this point. Santya, here this is a big setback, of course, as far as the 5 activists are concerned.
See, if we look at the Supreme Court order which was passed today, it is Pune police is looking at it this way, that it's a relief for them. It's actually their victory because Pune police since the beginning is saying that whatever evidences they have collected, including all the letters which according to Pune police were collected from the CDs, pen drives and the computers of all these accused, Pune police is saying that our evidences are good enough to make this case. And now Pune police is saying, in fact, Mirror now spoke to the Commissioner of Pune police as well, and he said that now he will start the order of Supreme Court and now investigation in the case continue, and if needed, raids will be conducted. Raids can also be conducted if needed. So this is how the Pune police is looking at it. And if you talk about the activist family, Mirror now spoke to the family of one of the accused, Vernon Gonzalez, and what they had to say that they look at it as a relief, as a partial relief, because for next 4 weeks the house arrest is extended, and now they are also planning to approach the lower courts for the bail. That's what they have said. In fact, the lawyer who will be representing these accused, Advocate Mihir Desai, he is also he will be the one who is going to represent all these accused in Pune court. So that's the plan. As far as Vernon Gonzalez family is concerned, they are going to approach lower courts for bail. And similarly, the other people, because now Supreme Court has given them the permission to approach the lower courts, these accused families, they will be approaching the lower courts, and because now the arrest, it's more than 1 month, it's almost 1 month that these accused are under house arrest. Now they can also apply for the bail. So that will be the next course of action of these accused families.
And meanwhile, Santya, as far as the Pune police, are concerned, what next in terms of the investigation process? Because now, of course, they will continue with that process as well.
See, what Pune police has to say is that investigation will continue. But if you talk about the entire, when the entire matter went to the Supreme Court and the house arrest was declared by Supreme Court for all these 5 accused, at that time, during that 1 month, Pune police was not conducting any fresh raids. Though the document-based investigation was going on, the Pune police was trying to establish and find out more and more links of these accused. But as far as conducting fresh raids and making fresh recoveries was concerned, that was stalled for a month. Now they can go ahead with that, and that's what Pune Police Commissioner also said, that if required, there will be new raids as well, and the investigation will continue in the case.
All right. Thanks, Santya, for getting us all those details.